However, the initial healing time for this procedure takes about 10 to 14 days in most cases, and a few months for full recovery. Here are some patients before and afters, and this is what I do. You can see the depth of the sun damage she has. You see it in the forehead, the bags in the lower lid, right? And so I do this, but this takes time to heal. Here's another view of her. You see how it just looks like she looks like the younger, maybe daughter of that person, but it's really her. And this is what we're able to do. We're able to remove sun damage, allow the body to heal itself. And when it heals itself, you actually have brand new skin there. This is great, but it takes time to heal from this. And that's why I started looking at, well, how could I speed up healing? I actually did some research over the years. I found that initially I was doing a study. I found a guy came to me from Santa Monica. He was actually the CEO of a company called Sky Orthobiologics. They used banked amniotic stem cells for helping with wound healing from infections and things like that. He flew out. He was the CEO of the company, and he said, "Can I use this for the healing?" I said, "Yeah, if we do one side, because I wanted to see if it worked." And we injected it on one side of the face, and it absolutely sped up healing. That is where amniotic stem cells. They were expensive. They were thousands of dollars for those stem cells. Okay. Here as well, you can see those are the festoons that form. You see those bags under the eyes, and you see how it's tighter afterwards. So we can do this, okay, but it does require some healing time. And I was searching for ways. So that was one thing. Those amniotic stem cells actually got me thinking about this. When I first heard about X39, how it could help increase stem cells naturally, that piqued my interest because I knew how the amniotic stem cells worked. And actually, truthfully, when the amniotic cells were put in the skin, they put out something called cytokines, which is sort of like homing beacons. And the person's own body stem cells came to that area. Okay, that's why that worked. Those stem cells from another person didn't really heal them. It was the homing beacons they put out that actually helped them heal better. Here as well, you can see, we can make we feel kind of looks like his younger brother. Right? Younger brother, older brother. And once again, I can do this, but it took a while for people to heal. People would say, look, you have all this damage on your skin. Is there any way to reverse it? Yeah, this is what I can do. I can reverse the damage here and get the skin to come back as younger, healthier skin. And until I found X39, the healing was taking 10 to 14 days initially and a couple months for full healing. Here's another example. You can see how her skin just looks much more youthful, around that area, the eyelids. This is what I was talking about. You see the eyelid skin is tighter, and that's what Stace was saying initially. I've been figuring out ways to use the energy to improve the eyelid skin to make it tighter afterwards too, and I'm getting there now. This is her straight ahead. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I've done studies. Amniotic stem cells worked. Hyperbaric oxygen. We actually have a tank in a place in my town. We put people through the hyperbaric oxygen. It increases healing and helps people heal faster. But that has cost to itself. And then we have our X39 stem cell activity patches. Okay, so let me show you this. Now, this is my experience, okay? I can't say this would happen for everyone else.